your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to show you how you do your nails in less than 10 minutes and look on fleek, boo-oo. So yes, if you want to see how I did my nails, just stay tuned. Welcome back. So yes, we are going to be doing our nails. Can't get to a salon and I am ready to have my nails done, boo. Okay, because I don't always do my nails. I'm not that girl that has to have them done all the time, but every now and then I want them, you know, looking cute, and this is one of those times. So I wanted to show you a quick and easy way on how to do your nails at home. So what I'm going to be using is the Color Street 100% real nail polish strips. Yes, it's 100% real nail polish and they're on strips, and you just put them on your fingers. And I'm going to be using this pretty design right here. Have my nails all glittered up and just banging, looking like I just came from the shop. So we're going to go on and get started, okay? Alright, so let's get started. We're going to start by opening our strips. There goes our strips right here, and then they gave us a filer, which we will be using, and an alcohol pad to clean your nails off or anything of that nature. So we're going to use this and just get our nails nice and clean, make sure there's no dirt or oil, so that way we can get the best use out of our nail polish strips. Because honey, I'm tired of having some dull nails, okay? I'm going to go on and get this open so it is ready for me to use, because I don't really need to use it right now. Let's see. Alright, and we're going to open our strips. Ooh, this is the fun part. Let's get them open. Alright. As you see. And when you take it out, it smells like nail polish, you guys. Like, for real, for real. So I'm going to use this one for my thumb. Those two. And my pinky is kinda... Alright, so we'll use this one for my pinky. Alright, so we want to make sure we got all our little fingers, okay? So, let's get started. So there she is. She is on. She looks good. Sorry about that, you guys. My camera shut off on me, but we're gonna go through the next one together. So let's see. Is this the one I'm using on this finger? But see, my nails aren't that long, so you're not gonna see the double effect. Oh well. It's kind of like a half ombre. That's alright. Let's see. Alright, so what we're gonna do is it's a double-sided. So you're going to peel the white side first, which is the back. Okay. Then you're going to peel this clear sealant, which is the top. Take your little sticker and we're going to put it as close as you can to the base of your nail. And then just rub that down. And literally she smells like polish, and she feels like pretty much like dried polish feels. So what we're going to do now is when I get to the tip of my nail, what I'm going to do now is when we get to my tip of my nail, is we're going to bend it down, just curve it, make sure it's nice and flat, looks really cute. And then we're going to take our nail file and we're going to file that extra nail polish off. Okay, and then just kind of rub down anything that's sticking up. And there you go. And I'm just gonna finish the rest of my nails. Let's see. Alright, so we're going to Put it on there. Super easy. We're gonna just fold it over my nail. Boom. Take our nail file. This is super cheap and super easy. These Color Street strips were only $13, and look, they come in so many different styles and colors. You cannot beat that. And come on, $13, and it looks like I went to the salon, boo, and we in quarantine. Okay, let's get our next one on. But this is super nice and easy. So if you like getting your nails done but don't like the cost of it, this is definitely for you, boo. Bam, look at that. It's cute. Let's get our last finger done. This hand. Super easy and super quick, y'all. It's not even time consuming, so that's even another plus. Cheap, not time consuming, and I am going to be, my nails is going to be looking bomb.com. Alright, so now voila, there are my nails. Look, oops, super pretty. I don't know how to, super pretty, love it. I'm gonna do my other hand off camera and I will be right back. But yes, it was super cheap, inexpensive. You cannot beat this. Oh my God. They are just so cute. I'm in love with my nails right now. I cannot stop looking at them. Mermaid vibes, mermaid vibes. But yes, if you guys like these, go on and comment down below what you guys think of my nails, because I think this is super quick and easy. Do you guys have any nail companies that you guys like, or nail stickers or anything of that nature? Because I tried the ones from Shop Miss A, and honey, they did not work at all. Nope. They were like real stickers. They were not real nail polish, because this is real nail polish. Like, you can smell your fingers and smell the nail polish. And like, it was just easy to smooth these out. Those were like legit paper thin stickers. Did not work. But yes, Color Street, boo, is the one. So if you want to pick you some up, I'll definitely look this company up online and check them out. This is not sponsored or anything. Boo, I used these on my birthday and I loved it. And you know, I needed to, you know, put some little glam in my life. So, But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.